Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add beneficiary in Botim application in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you just have to launch your Botim application and then sign in into your account. Now, when you log in into your account in the bottom, you are going to see the money section. So you just have to tap on the option of Botim money. Afterwards, inside Botim money, you are going to see the option of the plus icon or add a recipient or add a receiver option. So you just have to simply tap on that. After doing so, you just have to provide your recipient's information carefully. That includes providing their first name, their country, mobile number, bank account, and wallet details if required. The field depends on the transfer method that you choose. Now, Botim supports different types of payout options like bank transfer, cash pickup, digital wallet, and the UPI transfers for India. So you just have to select the correct method before continuing. Now, on the final page, you just have to double check all of the details carefully before because the incorrect information can delay or fail the transfer. Afterwards, simply just tap on the option of confirm or save in order to add the beneficiary successfully. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.